Okay, it's full sun, right? So you can transplant it into a larger pot, right? Mix soil, right? And you can submerge it into the pot. You water it accordingly. Once the soil is dry, you can water it. We are here at Queen's Park, Savannah Farmers Market. This morning, you are viewing Ruth's Garden Shop. Okay, so I have a variety of plants, right? From mints to all your herbs, right? I also have ornamental plants. This is mint. The mint can be used to make tea. You can also use it when you're doing your drinks and so on, which is really tasty and nice, highly flavored. I have, this is called fine thyme. A lot of people use it in their seasonings to enhance your flavors and so on. Really nice and tasteful. There's also purple kale. It gives a nice burst of color and high in iron for the ladies. Right? Excellent. The basils, you can use it when we are doing our meatballs and so on, spaghetti and meatballs. This is called the purple basil here. Nice and flavorful and colorful. There's also the sweet basil, which can also be used in our spaghetti and meatballs. I also have celery and parsley, which also can be used for seasoning and enhancing your flavors when you're cooking. Rosemary is also another excellent herb that can be used. It's a herb that can cleanse your liver, so it's good to submerge it in water, right? You can leave it in the fridge for a few days and have a little drink every day. There's also bay leaf. Bay leaf is another herb that can be used in your porridges, in your drinks. It can also be used to make tea, which is really nice. This is called Paji. A lot of people, especially East Indian, they would use it when they're doing their dal. You can use it in your salads also. You can use it when you're frying eggs and things like that. Right? It's a vine, so you have to get a trellis for it to climb onto. There's a lot of cactus and succulents, which a lot of people use in their cacti gardens. This one is called jade, and this one is the elephant's ear. When left in the sun, the leaves turn a bit reddish at the tips. I also have this excellent indoor plant here, which is called zizi. It's very durable and hardy. Can be left without watering for at least 2 to 3 months. It can be indoor and outdoor. It cleans the air, right? So it's an excellent plant to have inside your house. And for those who think that, plants are not for me, this is one of the plants that you can have inside your house. There's a lot of also outdoor plants. You want to beautify your surroundings, so just have it on your step, on your porch, or any place like that. This is Exocaria. It's a beautiful, colorful plant that really adds beauty to your indoor or outdoor. Oh, this one is cayenne gopher.
Cayenne.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get a basil.
Cayenne gopher. Okay, not a problem. That's a large gopher that you can make chow with or use it in salads and so on. It's a nice table gopher. Usually it will take about 2.5 to 3 years
3 years.
to fruit, flower, and fruit. For those who may want peppers to enhance the flavors of your pot, there's a lot of bird peppers here. There are 3 different varieties. This is our local bird pepper. It's in full bloom, right? So you'll see the little buds coming up. This one is also a type of bird pepper. These are 2 hybrid, this purple and this white here, right? The purple is very mild for those who may not want, highly hot peppers, but the white is very hot. Now these changes to red and then to orange. So if you want a pop of color, probably on your center table in your kitchen, these will also enhance your area and bring out some beauty. There's a lot of fruit plants also. Right, so this is a pomerac plant. For those who may have lots of land, it's a plant that you can always have high in vitamin C and rich and tasteful, which is excellent. So these are some of the plants that you can plant in your field, which can earn you money or a revenue as it grows.